Hi, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today the artificial lighting is done by Richie, my husband. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious bang bang chicken. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon so that we'll be notified when we upload. This recipe is super simple, it's a really great, easy dinner, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So, let's get started. So in a small bowl, I'm going to add about a cup of mayonnaise. This might be more like 3/4 of a cup, but that's the great thing about making sauces like this is that you don't really have to measure. You can just kind of eyeball it. So I added about a cup of mayonnaise, about a teaspoon of sugar, and then about a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. If you don't want your bang bang sauce spicy, then skip the sriracha. I wanted mine to be spicy, so I added about 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and then I added about 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. And then I mixed that up until it was smooth, and I set that aside. So now I have my chicken. I got the thinly sliced chicken breast from the store. If you got chicken breasts that were thicker, you could slice them in half, or you could cut a scoring pattern into the tops of the chicken. But I just like to get the thinly sliced ones because they cook fast. It's just what I prefer. But if you do get some that are thicker, you just want to make sure that you're monitoring the temperature on your air fryer. They may need to cook for longer. And Goose has decided that now's the time to play with his giggle ball. So that's the sound you're hearing in the background. I have no control over him. And so what I was doing with the fork is I was just tenderizing the chicken, just poking it. That's really all it was. It's not necessary. I just felt like I needed to do that today for some reason. And so now I'm taking my bang bang sauce and I am going to spread it on the chicken. I'm just dolloping some on, and then I'm going to smear it around once I'm done putting it on the chicken so that I didn't contaminate my sauce. You don't need much. You just need enough to have like a nice coating on the top. And you could also put it on the back as well. I just didn't want to mess with the chicken too much once they had this, sauce on it, because things would get messy really fast. So I put that on, and then I sprinkled them with a little bit of Morton's Nature seasoning. This is just a seasoning blend. It's salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And yeah, because this didn't have any salt in it, so I just wanted to make sure that I seasoned it. And then I'm putting it in my air fryer. You want to air fry it at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. I did 10 minutes because mine were thin. If yours were thicker, they might need to go for 15. And if you have a basket air fryer, you just want to make sure that everything is in a single layer. And here they are, all done. And I served it with some rice, and I added a little bit more of the sauce on top, and these were really, really good and a super easy weeknight dinner. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.